So in the previous lecture in Ørsted's experiment, we have seen that whenever a current flows through a wire, a magnetic field is produced all around the wire. Okay, so here we are going to answer a few questions, and one of those questions is what is a magnetic field? What is a magnetic field? So basically, if you look at that experiment, you can see that there is this wire, and when current is flowing through the wire, see, when current is flowing in that direction, then what happens? You can see that this magnet, let me draw the magnet in this way. Okay, this red color portion of the magnet, that is the north pole of the magnet. Then what happened to this magnet? This magnet, it twists, it twists in that direction. Alright, so you see that this wire is not even touching the magnet, but then this magnet is moving because it is influenced by the current that is flowing in the wire. So it means that whenever current flows through this wire, the region surrounding the wire gets modified. Okay, it's changed, it gets modified. So there is some kind of a field that affects this magnet. Alright, so this field is everywhere all along the wire. You see, all along the wire like this. So we can say that a magnetic field is nothing but a region surrounding a current carrying wire. Not only a current carrying wire, but also a magnet. Alright, so whenever we talk about the magnetic field or field in general, gravitational field, electric field, what did we say about the gravitational field? Suppose this is the Earth, and then there is a region surrounding the Earth, isn't it? If you put any other body inside this field, then this body will fall onto the Earth, isn't it? If the body is very far outside, then it will not fall onto the Earth. For example, the space station, okay, a spaceship which is so far, it doesn't get attracted towards the Earth. Okay, why? Because this is outside of this region. So that region surrounding the Earth in which the gravitational force can be felt, that is called the gravitational field. So similarly, the region surrounding a wire, a current carrying wire, in which the magnetic effects can be felt, that is called a magnetic field. Okay, so that's magnetic field. And what type of a quantity is a magnetic field? Is it a scalar or a vector quantity? Does this magnetic field have a direction? Yes. Here the magnetic field is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a vector quantity, and if it is a vector quantity, then it must have a direction. Alright, so let us see what direction does this magnetic. So if you look at this figure here, this is a very important rule and a very simple rule called the Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. So let's say this is a wire, the brown color arrow here, that's a wire. Okay, now if the current is flowing upward, you hold the wire in this way, and these fingers, the four fingers, you see, the thumb is pointing in the direction of the current. These four fingers will give the direction of the magnetic field. Alright, so if you hold your thumb like that and you're looking from above, you see that the magnetic field is going in the anti-clockwise direction. But then when you hold your thumb downward, and let's say the current is going downward like this, then what is the direction of the magnetic field? It is in the clockwise direction. I think you can try this at home. Just try holding a pen or something and lift your thumb up. The direction of the thumb gives the direction of the current, and if you look from above, you will see that these four fingers will be curling in the anti-clockwise direction. So that gives you the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, so be very careful, be very sure, be very you understand this nicely, because it is going to be very useful in our in doing numerical problems. All right, so basically that is what the magnetic field is all about. Thank you.